Hi guys, Marley here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be harvesting some sweet potatoes. These are the purple sweet potatoes that I started earlier this year. I planted 2 rows and then the potatoes went crazy and they just crawled everywhere. So now I have a big area that's full of sweet potatoes, but I'm going to start digging where I planted them. And it's going to be on this end of the original bed. This is just an earth bed. It's very interesting to see if we get a good harvest from the sweet potatoes, considering that I did not amend the soil. I just planted them in here, and this is a new area in my garden as well. Garden fork is the best tool to do this job. Sometimes I use a shovel, but with a shovel, there's a tendency of you slicing the sweet potatoes whenever you hit them. So I'm hoping that with this garden fork, there's gonna be less damage. This is really dry. Oh, I felt something. Okay, we don't have anything yet. Probably have to pull this. Trying to see where I planted those. Looks like they were planted in this spot right here. So usually where you planted it, that's where most of the sweet potatoes are. Or maybe they're not yet ready, I don't know.
They look ready because of the leaves.
Yeah. And they already have flowers.
So they should be good.
Probably have to pull this.
See any?
Not yet. Oops.
Oh, potato! Potato, guys.
Oh, there's another one.
It's potato.
Potatoes, precious. No, sweet potatoes, precious. Yeah, I think there's one. Oh, wow. Good size sweet potato. Feels like there's another one in here. Oops. Ooh, I heard it.
It's another potato.
Wow, there are 3.
I did not finish harvesting my sweet potatoes before the frost, so I covered it with a plastic. The ones that were covered properly are still green, but the ones on the outer side, which were exposed to the frost, are already brown. Usually, being exposed to the frost has little effects on the roots of the sweet potatoes. The weather is very unbelievable because after 3 days of below freezing temperatures, we are now getting temperatures in the upper 80s. Although today is a windy day, I feel like this is the best day to finish harvesting my sweet potatoes because it is warm. I cannot wait to see how much sweet potatoes I can get from this area. One very surprising thing was the size of some of the sweet potatoes because I was not expecting this big of a sweet potato. Here's a medium-sized sweet potato that was hiding underneath the big one. And still, the big one is so hard to get. This is like pulling a big rock from the ground. The only difference is that this thing is edible. Finally, this huge sweet potato is off the vine, and I need to find some more.
You can just pull it with your hands.
Except that one right there, that's big. Goodbye, other potato I almost stepped on.
Oh, here's one more. And this is big too.
Why is this one so big?
I don't know. That's a pleasant surprise.
I think they connected to other potatoes.
Oh, here's another one. This is smaller.
That's baby.
That one, this
no.
feels like a baby compared to the first one we got. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh, I think I broke it.
You just broke another potato.
I did. I heard it. No,
It's a
fine.
long, thick
It's
potato.
big.
Long potato.
Oh my gosh! These potatoes,
Thick potato.
I mean, sweet potatoes are giant. Now this one will probably grow bigger if we have more time for growing. See that?
No, we don't have any time, no.
It's already dead. Oh my goodness. This is such an amazing plant. We don't even have to dig deep.
You just have to look.
Yeah, I know.
That's all you have to do.
Oh, this one has a lot here. Smaller ones. Oh my god!
Jeez!
This is huge. Here's another one here.
Where's another? Oh, that's a fake potato. No.
Trying to get this.
We've been in here for a couple of hours and look who's here. Another handy helper. This little boy loves digging the soil.
Oh, there's one here, actually. Oh, it broke.
Wow.
It's under.
Sweet potato.
After a couple of hours of playing in the dirt, here is our final harvest. We got at least 4 huge sweet potatoes, plenty of medium ones, and some small ones. Wait, there's more. We found some more sweet potatoes on the edge of the garden. It is getting late, so it's time to load the sweet potatoes in my handy-dandy garden cart. Overall, this has been an amazing sweet potato year. Considering that we have experienced severe drought, the soil was a new part of the garden that was not even amended. And we got 2 laundry baskets full of sweet potatoes.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel Gardening in Kentucky. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to see more videos like this. Thank you for watching and happy gardening!